There are mixed reviews on silicone coatings and metal roofs. Some say you can, while others say you shouldn't. Today we're going to set the record straight. Let's first begin with the bad things they say about silicone coatings on metal roofs. The most prominent negative review is that after the 5th year or so, the silicone coating starts to have small holes that cause water to sink in. Although appearing nice on the outside, if you peel the coating off, you'll see the rust as well as moisture trapped underneath. To make matters worse, with the sun beating down on the metal roof, this combination is causing the roof to deteriorate faster, which of course, is not good. Yes, these concerns are valid. But there is an important but. With silicone coatings, the key to them being effective is preparation. This can include pressure washing, removal of the rust, and priming the metal roof first before applying the silicone coating. Silicone coatings are formulated to withstand water, and not let water penetrate through. But in order for that, the metal roof has to be primed and ready, so that the silicone coating can be applied uniformly, not leaving any gaps where water can get in. If you hire an experienced coating roofer that does all of that, you can go from this. 2. The key is to hire the right roofer for the job. Some things to look for in a roofer: experience, customer reviews, and their license. Those 3 things can go a long way. So can you apply a silicone coating to a metal roof? Yes, you can. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for roofing tips, project spotlights, and bonus videos. See you soon. Take care.